ChatGPT versus OpenAI Codex. Which AI tool is better for coding assistance? You've probably heard of these two AI tools being mentioned a lot lately, but which one is really the best for coding assistance? In this video, I'm going to break down both ChatGPT and OpenAI Codex, and by the end, you'll know which one is the right choice for your coding projects. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal a surprise recommendation that might just change your coding game. Let's start with ChatGPT. While it's widely known for helping with everything from writing emails to offering general advice, ChatGPT can assist with coding too. Whether you're looking for help with syntax or tackling a complex algorithm, ChatGPT can offer solutions, explain concepts, and even generate code snippets. However, it's not perfect. When it comes to coding tasks, ChatGPT sometimes offers overly simplistic solutions, and for more advanced projects, it may require you to fine-tune the output. Its performance is great for smaller tasks, but as you dive deeper into specific coding languages or frameworks, its responses can be less reliable. Next thing, OpenAI Codex. This tool is built specifically for programming, and it's designed to offer more targeted coding support than ChatGPT. OpenAI Codex can understand code, write code from scratch, and even generate documentation. The quality of its coding suggestions is often more advanced, and it can handle more complex coding queries, making it a better choice for experienced developers. The major advantage of Codex is that it integrates seamlessly with IDEs like Visual Studio Code. However, it has its own issues. Codex still struggles with providing context, so while it can write good code, sometimes it doesn't quite grasp the project's broader requirements or dependencies. You might find yourself having to explain things a few times or adjust its output. The third thing, both tools have their strengths, but neither is perfect for all coding tasks. ChatGPT excels at being versatile, answering a range of general queries, while Codex is the go-to when you need more precision and depth in your coding assistance. ChatGPT can work for quick fixes or explanations, but for more serious development work, you might want to turn to Codex. The fourth thing, another key difference is the way they handle coding context. With ChatGPT, you're often better off in shorter, more conversational exchanges. You can ask quick questions, get a solid answer, and move on. However, Codex is better for longer coding sessions, where you need it to produce more refined results and consider the overall code structure. If you're working on an app or a large project, Codex might be a better fit. However, for a casual, less structured coding task, ChatGPT can still hold its ground. Here's the thing though. After testing both, it's clear that both ChatGPT and Codex are powerful, but they're not always the most efficient, especially when you need assistance that's more tailored and intuitive. Both tools are fantastic for starting your projects, but if you want something that truly enhances your coding experience, there's an alternative that stands out. The tools mentioned are great, but after trying all of them myself, I found that there's a better option. If you want a more specialized coding assistant that's intuitive, accurate, and really maximizes your workflow, I'd recommend checking out the exclusive free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on that. So, if you want to level up your coding skills and get the best assistance possible, be sure to check out the link in the description.